What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Before we start this video, I just want to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and just shout out to you guys, and especially happy Father's Day to my dad. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all you do for our family. But yeah, right now we're about to head to our other church for a little family gathering. We're gonna meet up with all our family. We're gonna have food and just have a good time. But yeah, welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. See you guys when we get to the church. What's up, guys? Welcome back. We just got here at the church. We're just waiting for people to show up. We got everyone here. We're just waiting for the rest to come, and then we're gonna start eating food and all the activities that we got planned today. Probably play volleyball and just have fun outside. But yeah, we'll see you guys when the event starts. Again, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. See you guys in a little bit.
Did you get to say something on your birthday? Ladies and gentlemen, this is Elston. He is now a father because his birthday happens to be on a Father's Day. So, happy Father's birthday. Yeah? Happy Father's birthday. What? Are you a dad now? Huh? Are you a dad?
Yeah.
LaParson?
Huh?
You don't think I can see you on this camera even though I'm facing it too? Huh? Don't forget it's a wide angle, so I can still see you. You want to say something?
No.
Huh? You look good in those shades, man. I like it. Huh? Huh? Happy Father's Day. Huh?
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's birthday.
Thank you.
The hour. Not the hour. Good. How are you, man?
I'm good.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. Special shout out to all the dads out there.
Happy Father's Day, everyone.
Yes, I wanted to say thank you to all the daddies out there. We want to wish you guys happy Father's Day. Today is a special day for the M3 because it is my birthday. Well, it is Father's Day, but also it's Elston's birthday.
Yeah, shout out to Elston.
Shout out to Elston. Happy Father's birthday.
Yes, happy Father's Day, Elston.
Yes. Yeah. All right. Elston is now 14 years old. He's just making me looking older and older. But thank you again for barbecuing today, Marlson.
It was me and Mars, and Elston and Ross.
Yes, I appreciate you guys helping out the church and just helping family, prepping the food, and I'm always grateful for these boys. They are doing the work that that I'm supposed to be doing for the church, but since I'm working today, so thank you guys for doing that and for doing it for all the daddies. Yes.
I check my very good. Siguro check pan. Siguro pupunta. Siguro po check pan po rata at kiriso. Elisabat kotan. Jat turun very good at tomorrow we at pachakun. Would very good pan. A rice what tori. Chechi fan. A barak chair. Narat. I want not a faritan. Sabatski. Parat kiriso giri, even kich rera chuaroto, par kiriso oru kren met ka, abon nata feri tarachi, chufangan. Bujuk Barata at Kirisogeri Savatskot. Albue, Teparigeri, Savate Bue, para Pasao Chicavigor, Meta Papa Safari, that's it. Such a patriotic mission. No.
Bari was with Alvarapasa. Very good. You could see the thing which we got out of so very that's key. One note's key. But seven's key in. That's a one that I ready to eat. That week. The bottom long. It is so to play that way. Very we save it. I'll go to which of it. The parori. We take a video go shoot and go which of it. We walk at the puri. It's a case sam. But it is so very carry. Have it ready. Ori let's get. Ori gives medicine. Now that's I didn't misforget. But you see it's that one guy. Yeah, you could check. So relavi early. We save it. What a good shit pass away there. I feel to give it. I feel to ask family. Or but I do then. What I would need to get at Chibaranam. We ate it later with our Palapasa. This already gets medicine. Alright, thank you God for providing the food. Thank you Mommy for cooking. Thank you Auntie Chene for cooking. All the ladies, thank you, thank you. Who's that, Jermaine?
Yeah.
Hey Jermaine! What's up, man? What's up? Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
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 Say hi.
Hi.
Tell them to subscribe to our channel. Say it.
Subscribe.
I was gonna say something, but then I'll say a secret.
Okay.
No, Jenny's account for her game, her password is subscribe to M3.
Alright. I don't think I've ever had you on the vlog before, so
You can just
say hi.
Hi guys.
Say hi to Hawaii.
I hope we're at 26 right now.
Yeah. Right. Say hi to your mom and dad. Who did this?
Nuggets. Crab salad. Crab salad. Potato salad, crab salad with bread. Well, what's
Goyang kuko. Young yellow.
roll line.
Is dat goed faciliteerd met dat?
Ah, same.
M3 is.
Kau wat hier nog in zin.
Wait.
Let me open this.
Yeah.
That's too much. Cut in half.
Kevin, you want juice?
I need to wash my hands.
Yes, that's it.
Oh, nice tip.
This is the big one.
They're same.
Are you taking a video of my food? Thank you. I'll come get those.
Can call the ladies.
This is the M3E. You too.
Okay, I'm good. Thank you.
Just for today.
Can I have flight 1? Oh, no call. Thank you.
Are you still?
Oh,
No, you take the video.
I just stay here?
You can give it to Elston or Marlon when you're done.
Okay. Go eat. Thank you. Happy Father's Day, Auntie. Oh.
Yes. Happy birthday to you. What's that? That's the same?
Elston, go back with
Okay.
Oh, what's up, George? How are you? Good? Give me 5. Did you get your food? Did you get food? Oh my God, is your powder?
Just powder everything and it's barbecue.
Hello. Happy Father's Day, everyone. All the fathers.
Happy Father's Day, everyone. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. What's that?
You dang. You got. Oh, you're lying.
Happy birthday.
Who's calling me? What? Right after I'm out of line. There's studio.
I don't know. Give it to him. Elston! Come get it. Would you like to say anything, Elston?
I just want to thank God for protecting me all my life.
Stop it.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Yuki, it's been a while. You haven't been on the vlog. Tapos ang kapo?
Ay kapong iri barko cek me paminom
Afrika tirog ka ka por fataro nori ferker. Tirog ka ma.
kari kapon
Lagi ka adle kari ka.
Iba kapong Father's Day iri sabat mi utsia Sorry, me toto, sorry se toto. Iri so iri kot feri te iri sin.
Yusuf. Yalle apa sa ka pungiri? Ifa. Iya bi wariti.
Happy Father's Day. Happy baby sin. Atong ngeri Kevin.
Thank you. You guys, how long you guys been eating?
And we're the last ones. We're the only ones eating.
Huh?
Because I had to make a
How many
plate.
plates now?
It's my first
We
plate.
were the first ones in line.
You
No,
were
we
the
weren't.
first one in line?
I had to make a second plate
Oh
for my
my
mom.
goodness. You were the first one in line and you're still eating? Okay, I mean there's nothing wrong with that. Huh? How many plates now?
It's still my first.
I didn't even eat.
You-
I just been looking at it.
Okay. Uh-oh, I don't think I put you on the vlog. Okay, tell everyone your name, where you from.
Carissa, I'm from Hawaii.
Okay, alright. You want to say hi to your family back in Hawaii?
Hi guys. Hi Dad. Hi Mom. I miss you guys.
You have to... Do you watch our vlog? Sometimes?
Sometimes with my brothers.
Okay. So now, you gotta do me a favor. When you go back to Hawaii, you gotta make
Shout
sure
you guys out.
Yep. Tell your friends to subscribe.
Yes. Yes, I'm gonna post it on my story on my feed.
Alright. Alright. I'm gonna edit the video and then you'll be seeing it on YouTube. Alright, cool. Hey fellas. Okay, right now we're gonna play some games. The moms have some games for the fathers, the dads. So we're gonna play some games. In the meantime, I'm warming up my coffee because it's a good day. It's hot and it's cold at the same time. So we're getting ready for our games.
My? No?
Close.
I thought it was those girls from Hawaii, but I don't know their names. I forgot their names.
Half point.
Hi, faster. I need to get this.
Elston? Hey!
Hey, Pastor, I think it's
Elwin? Oh, Terrenson! Terrenson! Hey, Pastor, hey, together.
You guys have to speak louder so I can catch that on the camera.
Hey, Pastor, hey, together. Oh. Rancid?
Wow.
Hi, Pastor. Hi, Indicatress.
I do it. I know. I forgot your name. No Joanne? Yeah? Yosibo. Sorry, Yosibo.
Hey, Pastor. Hey, Indicatress.
That singer.
Marlson.
Allison.
Hi, Pastor. Hi, Indicatress.
Oh, so that's Elwin. No,
Rasen.
Rancid? I don't know why Elwin stuck in my. Try one more. Okay.
Hi, Pastor. Hi, Indicatress.
Just say hi, Pastor.
Hi, Pastor.
Marcel?
Thank you, Sil.
Happiness. Happiness. See that?
They're done.
That's it?
Yeah.
I won. What I get?
Tomorrow you get.
Okay, thank you.
See, that's why you have to talk more because I cannot recognize your voice. You only talk.
Thank you.
But don't say that, boy. How come you didn't get the present? I didn't know I was competing with Catherine.
I think she gave it close to you. Like
Oh.
Okay. So next. Yeah, no, because you need to. So we're today we're this is senior pastor. We're very serious. Okay. Okay. So can we ask everyone to go in the back, please?
Hi, Uncle. Babe. Hi, Pastor. Happiness.
Come closer. So we can be fast.
Hi, Senior Pastor. Hi, Chris.
Catherine!
I get rest.
Happy Father's Day.
Babe!
Hi, Lake.
Come closer!
Hi, Senior Pastor.
Hi, Yuki.
Hi. Hi, Senior Pastor.
Come again.
Hi, Senior Pastor.
Yun, session na.
Hi, Senior Pastor.
Sili kayo.
Hi, Senior Pastor. Kanalim.
Hi, who's this? Cherub's wife?
No.
No.
Falso.
Yun. Next. Sa video. Father's Day. Hi, Catherine.
That's not fair.
Hello, Senior Pastor. Hello, Senior Pastor.
Yo, we gotta stop, bro.
Hi, Senior Pastor.
Next. Hi, Pastor.
Hi, Senior Pastor.
Go to the back.
We can go together. Hi, Senior Pastor. Hi, Senior Pastor. Hi, Senior Pastor.
Hi, Mr. Public.
Hi, Senior Pastor.
Hi, Celine.
Hi, Senior Pastor. Hi, Senior Pastor. Yeah. Hi, Senior Pastor.
Again.
Hi, Senior Pastor. There you go. Hi, Pastor. Hi, Pastor. No. Hi, Senior Pastor. Hi, Senior Pastor.
Up another one.
Hi, Senior Pastor.
Come again.
Hi, Senior Pastor.
Again.
Come again.
Hi, Senior Pastor.
Yowin. Sili Yowin.
Next.
Hi, Senior Pastor.
Again.
Hi, Senior Pastor.
Right on the release out.
Hi, Pastor.
Come again.
Hi, Pastor.
Jermaine.
Say
Chicken noodle soup with the sun on it.
Hi, Uncle Simple.
Come again.
Hi, Uncle Simple. Hi, Uncle Simple.
Next.
Hi, Uncle Simple. Hi, Uncle Simple.
See there in there.
Hi, Uncle Sando.
You think?
Hi, Uncle Sando.
Again.
Hi, Uncle Sando.
Doctor.
Hi, Uncle Sendo.
what's that?
Russell.
Jenny?
Russell.
Okay.
Joanne.
Huh?
Oh, I know. Let's go in the middle. There.
No, not you.
Hey, can you guys form a straight line?
Okay? Straight. When they start on it.
Thank you.
Straight for once.
So, which one is?
Yes. So the orange one is yes. The blue one is no. Can you guys hear?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Orange is no.
And,
No.
and orange?
No. Orange is yes. Blue is
Orange,
no.
yes. Blue, no. Imikasira, yes. Matalawan blue. Imikasira, yes. Matatuan orange.
Yes.
Wait. I have a question. I have a question. I have a question.
Yes.
Yes, no.
I have a
Yes,
question.
no. Yes.
What about probably and don't know?
Yes, no. Probably and don't know. It's either yes or no.
Are you guys gonna ask questions?
Okay. No,
We're
first
gonna
we're
say
gonna
it.
start off with yes, no. And then after that we have question.
Okay.
So we have to jump?
Yeah. Jump on that side or
When Auntie Lily say yes, jump here. No, jump over there.
Yes, orange, no.
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Yes.
No. Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay.
I was so close.
They were out.
Ah, you Jake man.
No.
Wait.
Wait.
It's this.
No. No. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. No. Yes. No. No.
Man, that's like so easy.
Okay.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Out.
You have to be straight. Okay. No. I said no. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. Okay. Yes. No. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes.
Hey, do not do that to my dad. Oh, Dad!
Yes. No. No. Okay. Okay, move up.
Move up.
Oh, I thought you wanted to Yes. Yes. Out, Russell.
Even if you just move a little bit.
Yeah. No. No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Out, Justin. Yeah. No.
Guys, you 5.
Yes. No. No. Yes. Yes. Out.
Why did you fall for that?
Okay. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No.
No. Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Your turn, we have more. Yes.
You want to do the other one?
Oh.
Okay, ready?
No. Yes. No. Maybe.
Let me try
Okay, what am I saying?
Let me try something. Let me try something, bro. Let me try something.
Yes.
Let me try something. All right.
No.
Yes. Wow.
You said yes.
Are you the only one? No.
Wait. Who's counting?
Me.
You?
Yes.
Okay, let's start over.
Okay.
All right. Yes. No.
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 Yes. No.
Oh,
Wait, you went too fast.
you're out.
Okay,
your turn.
All right. Yes. No. Yes. Yeah. No.
That's like
Fine.
yellow.
Yes. No.
No.
Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes.
Oh, I think they're winner champion. Okay,
Yes, no.
so they're the winners. Okay. But last one. Okay, please. That was just the warm up. This is the real game.
What?
Oh.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Look. Out.
Bro.
I didn't hear it.
Okay.
Me too, bro.
Me too.
Judges. X. Romans. Oh, out happiness.
Elston?
Amos.
Hey, y'all said
X.
warm up run, right?
First king. Second king. Misty now.
Bro, what did you just say? Bro, what did you do?
No.
Alright.
Esther. John. X. Out happiness.
Let's go, Elston. Let's go.
Zephaniah.
Let's go. Elston, beat Uncle Kia.
Micah. Hosea. First John. Second John. Genesis. Exodus. Philippians.
Yo, chill, relax. Yo, chill.
Matthew. Mark. Obadiah. James. Hosea. Ezra.
Wow! Good job, Elston. You won. All right.
Man, the day is very beautiful. It's like so cold and hot at the same time. But yes, it's a nice day. Once again, thank you all for tuning in on this very beautiful sunny day. Yeah. Serious?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I mean video.
Okay.
Yeah, we're leaving tomorrow.
All right. It's sad that we're gonna see you off, but you know where to find us. You can always come back and visit your family here in Seattle, right?
Yeah.
Don't forget to tell your family
And
friends.
I'll subscribe and click the notification button.
Yeah, and then when
Yes,
I
sir.
post it, then you can see it. Okay.
Mhm.
Love you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you, Chris.
This one?
Carissa.
That's the one with Sensei?
The tall one, Carissa.
And the other one? Isn't there
Another
one more?
Carmela. Chris, there's 5 girls and 6 girls and 2 boys.
And three of you guys came?
Yeah. Or 4 of us. 4 of us. And the body.
Yeah, where's...
Oh, she's with Auntie Pepe.
What time is your flight?
I think it's in the morning, maybe at 7.
Yeah?
Why early? Like, why
Where is
didn't
one
you
more?
We
guys-
have a summer program. She's at home, like early credits.
This is with
Okay.
Nonon?
Are you talking about Elame?
Come on, May. No, you said
Carmelo.
3 of you, 4 of you guys came.
Yeah. Yes.
That's
Charisma,
it.
Carissa, Chrisan, Tintin, Carmelea. So, 3 girls, 1 boy.
Kap,
the
kap,
youngest
kap.
boy.
Man, I thought this one was
Good up, Sipur. Kaya. Sipur ka rin.
Those were confusing enough, but there was only 2. Others for you guys. And that
Kaya.
was great.
Kaya.
You're the one that I saw when I was sitting outside the apartment.
In the car?
No, the one in the parking lot.
Yeah, walking?
Yeah.
Just today?
No, when I was in Hawaii.
Was I with my dad?
No, you were going with your friends to walk down to.
Oh no, that was Chrisan. She has friends. I've got friends.
And you don't have any friends?
No. I'm always with my dad though, so if you see a one with my dad, that's
Waffle.
me.
Meet cook ka. Iran. Me your mother check me cream. Chuukese da por ka. Okay.
Apples.
You get maybe apples.
Ik ben ook op hier.
But yeah, we're just saying bye to everyone.
Why? Where are you guys?
Tomorrow morning.
I know when.
Oh, when? Tomorrow morning? Tomorrow morning.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, the baby water. Apples? You like good?
Oh, next time we come up with. Yes. Yeah. Or we're gonna come back.
Because they have summer school.
Summer.
Who,
No, not credit recovery. Early credit. Not. Yeah. Next time we'll come up with Kiani.
Ira tayo kaya po.
Kiani.
I know.
They need to come here.
He was here for one summer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man. What may I scream at you?
You need to talk to your dad. Chill out.
Yeah.
You know, at least 3 maybe.
Yeah, what did you
Kijk
maar naar de bank.
Which is not 4.
Okay.
And
alright, I'm gonna say bye to you guys.
Summer
Bye again.
Bye.
Alright.
On Monday.
Can you say bye?
Bye.
Don't
Bye,
forget to subscribe.
MDE.
Say hi to everyone back in Hawaii, okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Who is it not called M3E?
Yeah, M3E. Yeah, you
Then
got
why
it.
are they laughing?
I don't know.
Okay, bye guys.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Ya, sahabat kiri sahabat atau werawe kiri kiri. Kiri sahabat iya kiri pator kids. Yo sa chama pariye kiri kiri. Iri si fresh patepe. Ike.
Awet pak gewen na.
Alright guys, thank you all for watching our video. Once again, I just want to say thank you guys for stopping by. Happy Father's Day to all of you, and thank you all the dads for celebrating today, as today is also Elston's birthday. So once again, happy Father's birthday, Elston. Do you have anything to say?
Just want to thank God for protecting me all my life. Just want to ask Him to continue to protect me and our family.
Okay. Elston is now 41 years old. Right? Okay. Alright guys, so stay tuned for another video, maybe for Father's Day service on Sunday or tomorrow. But in the meantime, you guys take care. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and just continue to be part of our family. And we thank you again for just your continuing support to our YouTube. All right, peace out, and then stay safe. Bye bye.